Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, we are doing our chapter for Evergreen. We have done the reading and today we'll start bookwork. You will get the answer of all these questions from the chapter only. So you have to read the chapter carefully. Complete these sentences. We have to complete the sentences. The evergreens were the only trees on the slope that did not dash in autumn. एवरग्रीन ट्रीज ही अकेले ट्रीज थे जिन्होंने क्या नहीं किया था ऑटम में. दैट डिड नॉट शेड एनी लीव्स इन ऑटम. जिन्होंने क्या नहीं किया था, अपनी लीव्स को शेड नहीं किया था. डिड नॉट शेड एनी लीव्स इन ऑटम. डिड नॉट इज गिवन shed any leaves. Okay, right here. The second, the sal and the mahogany said that the firs look like. साल और महागनी ने क्या कहा कि फर्स कैसे लगते हैं? Porcupines with quills. कैसे लगते हैं? They looked like porcupines with quills. The third, the sal could not help the shivering poplar because he had. साल पॉपुलर की हेल्प क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा था? बिकॉज ही हैड बीन स्नीजिंग ऑल नाइट. क्योंकि वो पूरी रात खुद छींकता रहा. बीन स्नीजिंग ऑल नाइट. फोर्थ, विद डैश द यंग फर ब्रश्ड ऑफ द स्नो एंड स्प्रैंग बैक अप. विद क्विक shrug of the shoulders, she brushed off the snow and sprang back up. Fifth, before the trees could admire their spring dresses, gods came up the hill and हिल पे आके उन्होंने क्या किया? Nibbled at their branches. और उनकी branches को nibble कर दिया. Nibbled at their branches. See, this is the answer of fifth question. Now come to the next topic, grammar. In grammar, we will study about adverbs. Do you know what is the meaning of adverb? Adverb means who modify the verbs. जो verb को modify करते हैं. See, they are secretly enjoying themselves. Later, the empty branches of sal and mahogany sprouted pretty green leaves. Words like secretly and later are called adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about verbs. Adverbs हमें verb के बारे में बताते हैं. They explain how, when और where an action take place. कि कोई एक्शन कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ और कहाँ हुआ. Accordingly, they are called adverb of manner, time और place. और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग उन्हें adverb of manner, time और place कहा जाता है. See, look at this table. Adverb of manner how, adverb of time when, adverb of place where. I thought we were going to win, but the game changed suddenly. How? I will see you later. When? Arjun is sleeping there. Where? Okay. Now this time to the exercise for practice. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. Write whether they are adverb of time, place or manner. You should leave for the airport now. Now means when. And this is the adverb of time. Third, Raghu will join us later. It means time. Later is our adverb. Later. And this is the adverb of time. Fourth, yesterday I saw a new film. Yesterday, it's our adverb. It's adverb of time. Fifth, my friends are waiting for me outside. Outside means bahar. It show to the place. Outside is our adverb and it's adverb of place. Sixth, you should walk slowly on the slippery floor. You should walk. आपको walk कैसे करना चाहिए? Slowly. It show to the manner how. Seventh, my aunt lives nearby. Where? It show to the adverb of place. 8th, Shikha is standing downstairs. Downstairs is adverb and it's adverb of place. Now come to our next exercise. See, work in pairs, take turns to ask the questions using how, when or where. Answer the question using the correct adverbs from the box. We have to give in adverbs quietly, tomorrow, outside, above and clearly. One is already given to us. How should I speak in the elocutions competitions? You should speak clearly. The audience should hear and understand every word you speak. See, without walking us, I got in through the back door. I got in through the back door. Answer is given to us and we will create a question. How did you get in without walking us? जब आप किसी से क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो तो उसके लिए यू यूज़ करोगे. जब वो आंसर देगा तभी वो आई बोलेगा ना. और ये बता रहा है कि कैसे, मैनर. आई गॉट इन थ्रू द बैक डोर क्वाइटली. ओके, स्टार्ट टू राइट. थर्ड, आई विल गो टू द मार्केट. अब मार्केट किसी टाइम पे जाओगे. व्हेन विल यू गो टू द मार्केट? आई विल गो टू द मार्केट टुमारो. टाइम बताएंगे ना, सो इट शो टू द एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. फोर्थ, Mary put flowers in the vase. Means where did Mary put flowers? Okay, Mary put flowers in the vase which was kept. वो कहाँ रखा हुआ है? Above the bookcase. Fifth, the buses are standing the station. Buses कहाँ खड़ी हैं? Outside the station. Where are the buses? जब हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो ये पूछेंगे ना, where are the buses? Buses कहाँ हैं? The buses are standing outside the station. I hope students you have understood the concept of adverb. You have to complete your book work also, so you can do the revision. Okay? Bye bye and have a nice day.